Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to get this no makeup look. Well, just for my eyes anyway. I didn't do anything for my face or my lips. And I suppose my face doesn't look like I'm not wearing any makeup. So this is just a really natural eye look that I'm going to show you how to do using the Real Techniques 200 Oval Shadow Brush. And this comes in the Bold Metals collection, or it's part of the Bold Metals collection by Sam and Nick from Pixie Woo on YouTube. And I really love this brush. It's very soft. The bristles are really nice and soft. You can use it with creams and powders and whatever. It's very, I don't know, it's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's like the perfect weight. It also has shed resistant properties, which is very nice as well, because nobody likes a makeup brush that is going to shed all over your face when you're using it. This is really nice because you can use it all over your lid. It's the perfect size to just get shadow all over your lid. You can also use it as a highlight to highlight your brow bone, and it blends perfectly as well, and it's pretty dense in my opinion. It's really just, it's amazing. I love it. Everything about this brush is great. Although I will say it's not the easiest for your lower lash line and your inner corner, because it is pretty big, so it can get a little messy. So you just need to be a little bit careful when you're applying it to those smaller areas on your face. Otherwise, this is a great brush. You can get it for $16, which is a fantastic deal. So I will have the link for this brush down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. It was sent to me, but I'm not getting paid for this video, and these are my real honest opinions. Real Techniques is a great company. They make great products, and I highly recommend them if you've never tried them, because they are so affordable as well as high quality. So if you guys want to see how I got this natural eye look, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Stila in the Light palette today. I am going to take this color Bliss right here, and that is going all over my lid. So there it is on the brush. I'm going to tap off the excess and apply this to my entire lid. I'm bringing it up to my crease and blending it as well. I'm going to take that under my lash line as well. Then I'm going to take Sandstone right here and apply that to my outer corner and blend that out really well, taking that a little bit under my lash line as well. Next, I'm going to take Bear and Kitten and use that as my highlight. There's a voice in my head that sings to me when you're here, it hums this love. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have tried this brush, leave your comments and opinions down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will have my links for my Instagram pages down below if you guys are interested in following me. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.